into the mid to low 70s throughout much of the evening. And tonight we only bottom out in the 60s, so it'll still be well above average. Actually, tonight's low closer to what our average high is this time of year, putting that in perspective for you. As we time-lapse live radar, we have this cold front off to our west, and that is triggering some showers and storms developing ahead of that, and that'll eventually make its way into central Ohio. So zooming in a little closer, you can see how it stretches from Detroit all the way down to St. Louis, now getting closer to Indianapolis, and it'll take some time to make its way into Columbus, but we could start to see some rain cross the state line going into tonight. So not as cool as some rain returns overnight, likely in the early morning hours, 66 degrees for the overnight low, and that is exactly paired with what our high is this time of year. Sunset at 6:53. Now tomorrow, 76 midday, and will likely be around 80 again, but that's going to be that last warm day, so not quite as hot as today, but still warm day before the much cooler air starts to filter in the wake of that cold front. So here's that hour-by-hour look. Shower or storm could start to move into the Lima area, far northwest Ohio, by about 10, 11 o'clock tonight. A lot of what we're tracking as of right now will stay north of our area, clipping our northwestern counties come tomorrow morning. So we could see a couple little spotty showers throughout the morning here. It's midday, though, 1, 2 o'clock. I think we start to see some rain move into the Columbus metro area, and then the heavier stuff, that comes closer to the dinner hour. So some showers and storms overtake the metro area and south of I-70 at that point, and then we have widespread rain going into tomorrow night that lingers into the early part of your Saturday, even some heavy rainfall before sunrise Saturday. But there is a pocket of drier air that will start to build in behind that for the second part of your Saturday going into Sunday. That first and 10 forecast will be warm in the 70s, but we could see some delays in those high school games because of the showers and storms. I also want to talk about the frost freeze program here in central Ohio. Our average first freeze in fall is usually around October 27th, so we're not quite there yet. We've had it as early as the 21st, as late as September 21st, and as late as November 27th. And you can have a frost even if the temperatures are still above 32 degrees, because over at the surface it could be low 30s, even though the temperature is being taken just a little bit above the grass level. So your full forecast shows that we have no 30s in the forecast, but we do dip in the 40s for overnight lows come Sunday morning going into early next week. 60s for our high, low 60s this weekend, and then we'll be in the upper 60s, low 70s for your work week, and we'll start next week with some sunshine.
All right, Ashley, thanks so much. 2TV